April afternoon, the one they call Terrible Tuesday. April afternoon, the one they call Terrible Tuesday. Montgomery was luckier.
I got up to speeds of 70 to 75 miles an hour in my station wagon, and
Montgomery was luckier.
I got up to speeds of 70 to 75 miles an hour in my station wagon, and
of being pounded and hit and stabbed. It was violent. It was very, very violent. And my intention at that time was not so much to live as it was to be able to endure whatever I had to endure.
Okay, that thing looks like it's moving directly east. It's on the north side, still on the ground. Go ahead. Coming into the town, heading towards the Kill Freeway.